Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In this video, let's see how to crochet this doily. It's very quick and easy to make, and it measures about 16 centimeters in diameter. I made this using sport weight yarn and 3 mm crochet hook. Let's start. First, make a magic ring and insert hook into the ring. Pull up a loop. Make one chain and work 16 single crochets into the ring. Then tighten the ring by pulling the free end of the yarn, and now join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Let's start the second round. Make 6 chains. This will count as double crochet and 3 chains. And now you skip the next stitch and work a double crochet in the next stitch. Then 3 chains. Now skip the next stitch and work a double crochet in the next stitch. Then 3 chains. Repeat this around. Skip one stitch and work double crochet in the next stitch, followed by 3 chains. You'll have 8 chain 3 spaces in this round. Finally, join the last chain 3 with a slip stitch to the third chain at the beginning of the round. Round 3, slip stitch in the next chain 3 space and then work 3 chains. This will count as the first stitch. And then in the same space work 1 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. In each chain 3 space around, work 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. At the end of the round, work a slip stitch in the third chain. Next is round 4, slip stitch in the next double crochet and then slip stitch in the next chain 2 space. Now work 3 chains which will count as the first stitch, and in the same space work double crochet, 2 chains and 2 double crochet. Then make 3 chains. Into each chain 2 space, work 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet with chain 3 space in between. Join the last 3 chains with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Then slip stitch in the next stitch and in the next chain 2 space, and then repeat as in the previous round. Work 3 chains and then a double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochets in the same space. Now work 2 chains and then a single crochet in the next chain 3 space, 2 chains, and in the next chain 2 space work 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. Chain 2, single crochet in chain 3 space, chain 2, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Repeat this around. Finally, join the last 2 chain with a slip stitch to the first stitch. Then round 6, slip stitch in the next stitch and in the next space. Then make 3 chains and work a double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochets in the same space. Then make 3 chains and now work a single crochet in the next single crochet, 3 chains, in the next chain 2 space work 2 double crochets, chain 2 and 2 double crochets. Three chains, single crochet in single crochet, 3 chains, 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Repeat this around. Then join with a slip stitch. Next is round 7, slip stitch in the next stitch and in the next chain 2 space, and now work 3 chains and then a double crochet in the same space, and now we'll make a picot. For that you'll make 3 chains and then slip stitch in the previous double crochet. This forms a picot, and then work 2 double crochets in the same space. Now chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, and then chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, and then chain 4, in the next chain 2 space, work 2 double crochets, picot and 2 double crochets. For the picot, make 3 chains and then a slip stitch in the previous double crochet. Then work 2 double crochet in the same space. Chain 4, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 4, 2 double crochet, picot and 2 double crochet in the next chain 2 space. Repeat this around. You can find a return pattern in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch at the end of the round. Block the doily for best result. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.